Hi everyone! Today we're doing something super festive and fun, painting some Christmas ornaments. So let's grab our supplies and get cozy and let's make something beautiful together. I have been painting ornaments for 3 years now. It's become a tradition that I just love. There's something so special about creating little keepsakes for the tree every year. Okay, let's go over what I'm using. First, some basic paintbrushes, nothing fancy. For paints, I love using acrylics. Honestly, the affordable ones from the craft store works perfectly. Now here's a little hack I love, using leftover paint samples as my base coat. They give amazing coverage and it's a great way to repurpose something you might already have at home. I picked up these clear ornaments from the craft store, but you can use any kind you like, ceramic, wood, or even glass. I always keep a disposable palette nearby to keep cleanup easy. To start, I'm adding a base coat of white paint. I'm using a paint sample for this, but seriously use whatever you got. It's only about making it work for you. It gives us a nice clean surface to work with and will make the colors pop later. Okay, now that the base coat is dry, it's time to add some designs. For this one, I'm painting a little reindeer, something super classic and festive, but honestly, this is where you can get creative. Go with whatever fits your style or your Christmas decorations. I'm also painting a Christmas tree. And to finish it off, I'll add some floral details to tie everything together. What's fun about this is how personal you can make it. It's totally your own vision and your own style. For the next one, I'm doing a floral design. It's not traditional Christmas, but it adds such a pretty and unique touch to the tree. Florals are always a favorite of mine. Simple but charming. To finish, I'm adding a little ribbon for hang. You can use twine, satin ribbon, or even little gold wire for a chic look. And there you have it, your custom ornament ready for the tree. These ornaments turn out so cute. I love how each one is completely unique and adds a personal touch to my tree. I also make amazing gifts, so thoughtful and handmade. Thanks for painting with me, and I'll see you next time. Happy holiday!